1. The courtroom buzzed as the high-profile trial prepared to begin. 2. Cameras flashed outside, capturing the billionaire's dramatic arrival. 3. Victor Langston stepped out, arrogance written across his face. 4. His tailored suit screamed power, wealth, and unchecked privilege. 5. Reporters shouted questions, but he ignored every single one. 6. Inside, spectators whispered about his notorious reputation everywhere. 7. Employees claimed he crushed anyone daring to oppose him. 8. Today, however, he faced a federal discrimination lawsuit. 9. The courtroom doors opened, signaling proceedings would begin. 10. Everyone rose respectfully as the judge entered quietly. 11. Everyone except Victor, who remained seated deliberately. 12. Gasps echoed softly throughout the stunned courtroom gallery. 13. His lawyer whispered urgently, urging him to stand immediately. 14. Victor smirked confidently, refusing to acknowledge the judge. 15. The judge observed him calmly from behind her bench. 16. Her nameplate read, Judge Alana Brooks, with authority. 17. She adjusted her glasses, expression composed yet firm. 18. Mr. Langston, she began, voice steady and controlled. 19. In this courtroom, respect is not optional. 20. Victor leaned back, crossing his arms dismissively. 21. Respect is earned, he replied with chilling arrogance. 22. Murmurs spread quickly through reporters seated near back. 23. Judge Brooks paused, letting silence weigh heavily. 24. You are already in contempt, Mr. Langston. 25. His lawyer's face drained of confident color instantly. 26. Victor laughed softly, thinking it meaningless theatrics. 27. This trial won't last long anyway, he muttered. 28. Judge Brooks nodded slowly, pressing a button quietly to 9. Screens behind her bench suddenly illuminated brightly. 30. Security footage filled the monitors across courtroom walls. 31. Victor's confident smirk began fading immediately. 32. The footage showed private meetings inside his company headquarters. 33. Voices played clearly through courtroom speakers. 34. Discriminatory remarks echoed unmistakably in chilling clarity. 35. Victor shifted uncomfortably in his expensive chair. 36. Spectators exchanged stunned, knowing glances quietly. 37. You underestimated this court, Judge Brooks stated firmly. 38. Another video clip appeared on screen. 39. Emails surfaced revealing deliberate policy targeting minorities unfairly. 40. Victor's lawyer buried his face in documents. 41. Objection, he finally croaked, voice trembling noticeably. 42. Overruled, Judge Brooks answered without hesitation whatsoever. 43. She leaned forward slightly, eyes unwavering. 44. Power does not place you above justice. 45. Victor's arrogance slowly turned into visible panic. 46. The jury watched carefully, expressions growing harder. 47. Every shred of evidence dismantled his empire publicly. 48. Investors watching the live stream began reacting online. 49. Company stocks started falling dramatically that afternoon. 50. Victor checked his phone, nervously under table. 51. Judge Brooks noticed and signaled the bailiff immediately. 52. The phone was confiscated without further discussion. 53. Court decorum applies to everyone equally, she reminded calmly. 54. Victor clenched his jaw, humiliated before everyone. 55. Witnesses testified bravely about workplace humiliation, endured. 56. Their stories painted disturbing patterns of abuse. 57. Victor's earlier confidence evaporated completely. 58. Judge Brooks maintained steady control over proceedings. 59. She cited legal precedents supporting every decision. 60. Her knowledge commanded undeniable authority throughout. Courtroom. 61. Closing arguments approached sooner than Victor expected. 62. His legal team scrambled desperately for damage control. 63. The prosecution summarized overwhelming evidence meticulously. 64. Judge Brooks addressed the jury solemnly. 65. Justice requires courage, she stated clearly. 66. The jury deliberated with surprising efficiency. 67. Hours later, they returned unanimously. 68. Victor stood automatically this time. 69. The foreperson announced the verdict confidently. 70. Liable on all counts, echoed firmly. 71. Audible shock rippled across courtroom benches. 72. Victor's empire trembled in that defining moment. 73. Judge Brooks prepared final sentencing remarks carefully. 74. Arrogance blinds powerful men to consequences, she said. 75. Financial penalties reached historic proportions. 76. Court-ordered reforms targeted systemic discrimination directly. 77. Victor's board announced emergency leadership review immediately. 78. Reporters rushed outside broadcasting breaking updates. 79. Social media erupted praising judicial integrity. 80. Judge Brooks remained composed despite historic victory. 81. She gathered her notes with quiet dignity. 82. Victor avoided eye contact entirely. 83. Court is adjourned, she declared confidently. 84. Everyone stood respectfully as she exited. 85. This time, Victor stood first. 86. Cameras captured his humbled expression clearly. 87. Former employees outside celebrated emotional vindication. 88. Investors demanded sweeping ethical reforms publicly. 89. The verdict reshaped corporate accountability nationwide. 90. Judge Brooks returned to chambers thoughtfully. 91. She reflected briefly on responsibility carried daily. 92. Justice, she knew, required unwavering courage. 93. One man's arrogance had met principled resistance. 94. The courtroom lesson would echo for years. 95. Respect, once denied, had been undeniably earned.